In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward Outlook.com email to another email. If you want your Outlook.com messages to automatically arrive in a different inbox as well, this is a quick setting you can turn on in just a few moments. Forwarding can be helpful if you check another email account more often, if you're managing multiple inboxes, or if you simply want to make sure important messages are seen in one central place. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what to enter so you can set it up correctly. Start by opening Outlook.com in your web browser and signing into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Outlook page and can see your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This icon opens your settings, and that's where the forwarding option is located. Go ahead and click the gear icon. A settings panel will appear. From there, select Mail so you can access the email-related settings for your account. This section contains options for how your messages are handled, organized, and delivered. Next, click Forwarding and IMAP. This will take you to the area where you can manage message forwarding for your Outlook.com account. If you don't see it right away, just look carefully through the available mail settings until you find it. Once you're in the Forwarding and IMAP section, find the option to enable forwarding. Turn that toggle on. As soon as you do, Outlook.com will give you a field where you can enter the email address that should receive your forwarded messages. In the box labeled for forwarding your email, type the destination email address carefully. Make sure there are no typing errors, because even a small mistake could cause your messages to be sent to the wrong place or not delivered properly. It's always a good idea to double-check the address before moving on. After you've entered the email address, click Save. That confirms the change and activates forwarding for your account. From that point forward, new incoming messages sent to your Outlook.com inbox should automatically be forwarded to the address you entered, and that's it. Your Outlook.com email forwarding should now be set up. If you ever want to change the forwarding address or turn the feature off, you can return to the same settings area and update it at any time.